Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Chevy Equinox key fob battery. First, gather your tools, a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR 2032 coin cell battery. Locate the small slot on the side of your key fob. Carefully insert the tip of the screwdriver into this slot and gently twist to separate the two halves of the fob case. This should expose the internal components and the old battery. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the small, round battery. Take a moment to observe how the old battery is positioned, noting which side faces up. Using your screwdriver or a small pick, gently pry the old battery out of its compartment. Now, take your new CR 2032 battery and carefully slide it into place, ensuring the positive side is facing upwards, just like the old one was. With the new battery securely in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the case, making sure all the buttons and internal components are properly seated. Gently press the two halves together until you hear and feel them snap firmly into place. Finally, take your newly reassembled key fob to your Chevy Equinox and test all its functions to ensure everything is working correctly. If your key fob isn't working after the battery change, don't worry. First, reopen the case and double-check that the new CR 2032 battery is inserted with the positive side facing up. Also, ensure the battery is fully seated in its holder. Sometimes a slight adjustment is all it takes. If issues persist, consider trying another new battery. And hey, for more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.